Hello everybody, and this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade, and today I'm going to be unboxing my second DT parcel which has come to me, and I'm super excited. So let's open this together. Now I've already opened it, so two flaps are open and I have to open the next two flaps, and to surprise you all, ta-da! It's empty! No, it was not empty. This is what I got this time. Right? Look at all these goodies. Now let me explain one by one what all are these. Now these are some super gorgeous things, as well as their latest launches. Now CrafTangles is coming out with a very beautiful variety of MDF products, and I think the quality is just fabulous. I have already used them for the last 4 months and they are very nice, and I'm super excited about these new launches. Now this is a circle with a hole in between, which is perfect because if you want to use it as a watch, you can do it. And I think this one is 12 and this one is about 9 inches roughly, but they're very nice. And the thickness is very nice. So even if you want to do any mixed media project on this, you can happily do this. So super excited about these two. And let's see, what do I make and show you in the coming months. So this is super cute. Now another thing which I'm super excited about, these two things which I've got this time. Now these are acrylic coasters. Each of them are set of 4. These are square and these are circular. Now these are transparent ones and these are white ones. So they're just perfect if you want to do anything like, you know, a reverse decoupage. This is beautiful for that. I'm really excited about. Why? Because they come with a backing. Can you see they're brown in color? That's because there is a sticky back, a paper stuck onto it so that it does not get scratched. So I really like this, so that by the time I get it, you know, these in the parcel, it does not mean that they're all scratched. You know, they're all nice and packed. All I have to do is I have to peel off this sticky back and then I have to start using them. So these are white acrylic and these are transparent acrylic. So this time that I've got these, I'm really super excited about these. So I think you'll be seeing me doing lots and lots of posters this time. Another thing which they have sent me is amazing. They've sent me 3 stamps and I really like all of them because I think they really go well with all decoupage products that I could think of. This is an old newspaper stamp and I just love this look, you know, the grungy nice look. And this is everybody's favorite. Any decoupage lover has to have script in her sash, right? So really super excited about this. And this is the musical notes, which I think really goes with the festive season right now, with the Christmas and everything, with, you know, Valentine's coming up in February. I think this for the next 4 months is going to be one of my favorite stamps. So super excited about these. Liquid glaze, you know, is a fantabulous medium, and I have used it a lot, and I think this is again something which every crafter must have. It is a beautiful thing, replaces resin very beautifully. You do not have to think about ratios. All you have to do is pour and let it dry. That's all. So super excited about these new MDF launches and super excited about these acrylic coasters. Now what else have I got? I have got all 4 of gilding flakes. Can you imagine all 4 of them? I know, you know, this is what I love about being a DTF because you get so many good products. Okay, so all these 4 colors that CrafTangle has, they have sent me these and I really liked it. See, they're super soft and super nice. But yeah, I don't want to make a mess right now. So let's just get back to this. And this is the deco foil magic. Okay, so this is basically an adhesive that they have sent for all these deco foils that they have sent. Yes, I've turned them around just as an element of surprise, but look at all these colors that I have. They've sent me all these colors and these are gorgeous. So these are all reactive foils, rose gold, then this is silver, this is green. Now let me, I think, straighten them out. Yeah. And this is gold, then this is yellow gold, and this is red. So again, I think a very nice product. I like the way it has been packed so that it does not get crumpled. And again, it's a very big roll. I can see, you know, it will last you for a very long time. So this is again something which I'm very excited about. Then the last thing is, of course, the stencils. Oh my God, I had been waiting for these, let me tell you. I had been really waiting for the stencils. And I enjoy a long romantic walk, but right now I'm enjoying my DT unboxing. So, okay, now this one by one I will show you. All of them are just perfect. Good things happen over coffee. Home is where the heart is. Oh yes. Mandala stencils, brilliant, beautiful, really nice. And again, scripts. Oh my God, do I love scripts or do I love scripts? I think I love scripts. Okay, I like this too. And can you see, these are not like straight lines. I like this. I like this little asymmetric line. You know, they're not like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not like that. This is very cute. Nice. Oh, this is so cool, so cool. Numbers in asymmetric, you know, sizes. Very nice. Dream big, little one. Oh, so beautiful. And hearts all the way. And kitchen, dinner choices. Make it or leave it. I like it. This is what I'm going to make and put it up and show it to my children. Take it or leave it. So thank you so much, CrafTangles. I think this is a fabulous kit you have put together this time, and I'm super excited about it. So guys, stay tuned and see what all do I make and show you. I hope you appreciate everything. So once again, let me tell you, MDF, check them out. They are super nice. The quality is super good, and they are coming out with a very good variety of MDF products. So you should definitely get onto the website and check out their MDF products. All right. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.